हेलो टॉपर्स, ज्योग्राफी के बाद अब इकोनॉमिक्स के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की वीडियो लेके आ गया हूँ मैं। ज्योग्राफी के अंदर तो आप सभी ने देखा था, उस वीडियो से मोर देन 90% क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आए थे और अब बारी है इकोनॉमिक्स की। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चंस कवर कर लिए थे, तो अब इस वीडियो के अंदर हम न्यूमेरिकल्स कवर करेंगे। गिवन एन इकोनॉमी विद कंजप्शन फंक्शन ऑफ C इक्वल्स टू 750 प्लस 0.5%, where C represent consumption expenditure, Y represent national income and an investment expenditure of 2300. What would be the consumption expenditure at the equilibrium level? Suppose in a hypothetical economy there are only two firms, A and B. Firm A sold goods for 2000 to firm B and purchased goods for 1000. Firm B exported goods for 2500 and had domestic sales of 1500. Calculate net domestic product at market price if consumption of fixed capital is 200. Suppose an economy is in equilibrium. From the following data, calculate investment expenditure in the economy. National income 10,000, marginal propensity to consume 0.8, autonomous consumption 100 crore. Suppose the gross domestic product at market price of a country in a particular year was 1500 crore. Net factor income from abroad was 100 crore. The value of net indirect taxes was 180 crores and the national income was 1050 crore. Calculate the value of depreciation for the economy. For a hypothetical economy, the government incurs an investment expenditure of 1000 crores. If the value of margin propensity to save falls from 0.25 to 0.1, calculate the value of increase in income due to change in the value of marginal propensity to save. In an economy, the increase in income is 5 times the increase in investment expenditure. Calculate the values of MPC. If an economy plans to increase its income by 2000 crores and marginal propensity to consume is 75%, estimate the increase in investment required to achieve the target increase in income. In an economy, 75% of increased income is spent on consumption. Investment is increased by 1000 crores. Calculate increase in income and increase in consumption. Given consumption function C equals to 100 plus 0.75y, where C equals to consumption expenditure and Y equals to national income, and investment expenditure 1000, calculate. Equilibrium level of national income, consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of national income. Suppose in a hypothetical economy, the central bank increases the reserve ratio from 10 to 25%, keeping the amount of initial deposit constant at 1000 crores. The amount of total money creation would be, if the total deposits created by commercial bank is 50,000 crores and amount of initial deposit 12,500, legal reserves ratio will be. Find the national income from the following: autonomous consumption 100, MPC 0.8, investment 50. Find out real GDP if nominal GDP is 2025 and price index is 125. अब जो भी क्वेश्चंस है उनमें आपको ऑलरेडी डाटा दिया हुआ है, तो आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है। On the basis of given data, estimate the value of domestic income. On the basis of the given data, estimate the value of the net value added at factor cost. Calculate the net value added at factor cost from the following table. From the following table, estimate the value of net indirect taxes. Calculate NNP at FC by income and expenditure method. Calculate operating surplus and compensation of employees. Calculate gross fixed capital formation from the following table. Find out the missing figure. Complete the following table. On the basis of the given information, calculate the values of fiscal deficit and primary deficit. Calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. Suppose the following data is presented for an imaginary economy. Identify which of the following statement about the period of 2010 to 2020 is correct. Improvement in balance of trade, increase in trade deficit, improvement in balance of invisible items, deterioration of balance of trade. The following information is given for an imaginary country. Balance on current account will be dash of rupees dash 1000 crores. Deficit 10, surplus 5, deficit 5, surplus 10. तो ये हैं सारे न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस जो कि आपको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है। इससे पहले एक और वीडियो आई थी जिसमें थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चंस करवाए गए थे। आप इन दोनों वीडियोस को अच्छे से देख लेना और एग्जाम में अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन बढ़िया रखना। आपके अच्छे नंबर आने से कोई भी नहीं रोक पाएगा। तो दोस्तों, इन क्वेश्चन से 90% पेपर आएगा। क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज चेंज हो सकती है पर पूछा यही जाएगा, तो आप इन क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लेना। बाकी अगर आप में से किसी को भी इन क्वेश्चन की पीडीएफ चाहिए या फिर इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर की पीडीएफ चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए नंबर पर व्हाट्सअप करें। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।